Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and today I wanted to show you how I made this funky motivation mirror using my tech wrap vinyl on a round mirror. I used my mostly mirror chrome vinyl, so the cool blue, lime green, royal pink, hollow rose gold, opal glow in the dark, and the chameleon purple at the end there, which is a gorgeous colour. So here's my mirror, and you can use any shape design that you like to, and I've cut all the pieces out that I need from my design. So the main decal is Make Today Ridiculously Amazing, and then underneath there is a rainbow. So I'm now just weeding off each colour from the rainbow part of the design, and you can see it's, with this design it's quite easy to use my weeding pen and remove the excess vinyl. Then for the main decal I use the royal pink mirror chrome, and that's one of my favourite colours, and I just wanted to use that as the main focus of the project, using my weeding pen to remove any excess vinyl. And now it's time to add to the mirror. I'm trying not to get my fingerprints all over the mirror there, but it is quite hard. And what I do is I normally print out a copy of my design, and that way I can get the sizing and just make sure everything fits on exactly, rather than making sure it does that on the screen. I just find it easier to have a piece of paper to do that by itself. Then I've used my red grid transfer paper, or transfer tape, and used my squidgy. It doesn't need much with this mirror chrome, it comes off so easily from the transfer paper. And you can either use parchment paper on the back of the transfer sheet there, or I just actually use the back of the transfer paper that comes off, and use that to make sure I line up my decal properly, and then using my squidgy just burnish that down, and that comes away quite easily once you've burnished that down properly. Use a bit of muscle there to come off the mirror. The surface is quite strong with the transfer tape added on top there, but you'll see that all the letters are holding on to the mirror perfectly. And I've already got one design from the rainbow already set up, so that just gives me my base to put the next colours on. So this is the lime green in mirror chrome, also one of my favourite colours. I use this quite often, especially for summer. Makes a great summer colour, this one. Then I have the cool blue in mirror chrome, and that's at the top of the rainbow. I found it easy just to do each piece separately rather than putting them all together and applying as one. Then this is the hollow rose gold, a super pretty colour. And the next one is I'm using my squidgy there just to pop out any air bubbles that come up, and they disappear quite quickly. The next one is the opal glow in the dark, and that comes off nice and easy from the transfer tape. Then the last colour is the chameleon purple, and I just got this colour in with my last order from Tech Wrap, and love this colour so much. Just gives it a different look to the whole project. So now I'm just adding on a couple of smiley faces just to go in with the retro theme that I'm going with the decal there. I'm loving all these retro fonts at the moment, and you can get that off Creative Fabrica, this decal, and the rainbow as well. So the two smiley face flowers are in the opal, which is the glow in the dark. So I'm looking forward to seeing that glowing in the dark later. So just applying my first flower, and second flower easily comes away using the transfer tape and the squidge. It really doesn't need much pressure at all. So that is how you complete this project. It's quite an easy one to do. You just have to size everything up with the decals and whatever else that you want on there. But I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.